Good day everybody. As promised, today I am going to be showing you how to remove a drop-down list that you have created in Microsoft Excel. Before I do that, I am going to remind you to subscribe if you have not subscribed before, or if you are new, like, share, comment, and please remember to watch the ads. Right now I have my file, the file that I had created the drop-down list in. The first thing you need to do when you want to remove a drop-down list that you have created in Excel is to click in the cell where the drop-down list is. On my screen, my drop-down lists are where we see yes and October. If you notice right beside yes, I have a drop-down list to the right hand side of it, and also if I click in the cell with October, you will see the other drop-down list beside it. So in order to remove it, you have to ensure that you're on that particular cell with the drop-down list. So I'm going to click on the cell with October. Then I'm going to go to the Data tab, click on it. Under Data Tools group, I will click on the drop-down arrow for Data Validation and then select Data Validation. When the pop-up screen comes up, or the dialog box, whichever one you want to call it, you will look for a button called Clear All. When you click on Clear All, you will then click on OK, and what it will do is remove the drop-down list for you. If you notice, right beside October, the drop-down list that was there before is no longer there. It has disappeared. If I should click on yes, the box with yes or the cell with yes, you will notice the drop-down list is still there. But for the drop-down list that was beside October, we removed it. So you will notice there is no longer a drop-down list beside October. Alright, see how pretty easy it was? Thank you for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Before I go, I'm going to remind you to subscribe, like, share, comment, and please remember to watch the ads. Thank you guys.